Does an engine need to be replaced with a cracked piston? When you're staring down a diagnosis of a cracked piston, it can feel like you're at a crossroads. Repair or replace? It's a big decision, so let's break it down a bit to give you a clearer path forward. First, the bad news. A cracked piston is a serious problem. Pistons are critical for your engine's function, converting the energy from burning gas into mechanical motion that propels your car forward. When a piston is cracked, it's not something you can just slap some duct tape on and call it a day. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Whether or not you need to completely replace the engine depends on a few key factors. 1. The extent of the damage. If the crack is minor and localized to just the piston, you might get away with merely replacing the piston itself. Your mechanic can assess whether the damage has spread to the cylinder walls or other engine components, which might necessitate more extensive repairs or a total replacement. 2. Age and value of the vehicle. If you're driving a newer model that you plan on keeping for years, investing in a new engine or a comprehensive repair might make more sense. On the other hand, if your ride is already on borrowed time, you might consider whether the cost of major repairs outweighs the vehicle's value. 3. Your budget. Let's be real. Cost is a major factor. Sometimes the price of a new engine or the repair work needed can be prohibitive. It's worth getting a few quotes and weighing these against the cost of purchasing a new or used vehicle. 4. Availability of replacement parts. For some cars, finding the necessary parts for a repair can be a challenge. This is especially true for older models or those not widely supported by aftermarket parts. In cases like these, replacement may become your most feasible option, purely from a logistics standpoint. Now, how does this all connect back to my hometown of Portland, Oregon? In a city known for its embrace of sustainability and DIY ethic, there's a good chance you'll find local mechanics or even hobbyist groups that can offer advice or hands-on help. Plus, Portland's relatively mild climate is forgiving on vehicles, which might give you a bit more leeway in deciding how to proceed. So, to sum up, does a cracked piston mean you need to replace the entire engine? Not necessarily. It's a situation that needs a careful evaluation of the damage, consideration of the car's age and value, review of your budget, and a bit of local networking. Getting expert advice can help steer you toward the best decision for your situation and keep you rolling down whichever Oregon road you choose to take next.